Okay.
Sir, I have muted.
Welcome, bacha. Good evening again. Today, Suti Gaikwad have given motivation lecture. Tomorrow, we will have second ranker of Saint Lawrence, Miss Charmin. Okay. Now, algebra question number 3. This is a question by Kramer rule. We have to solve this. When particular method is given, at that time you have to do that particular method. You cannot do your own method. First of all, in Kramer rule, you have to convert the equation into ax plus by is equal to c. So 4x minus 3y is equal to 4. 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. So a1, a2, p1, b2, c1, c2. This is 4, 6. Pratiksha, have you noted down the name of that boy who was picking in between? D, dx, dy. Correct. D means this 4, 6 minus 3, 5. D then dx from this to this. See the arrow. 4, 8 minus 3, 5. Four bracket. So no chance of mistake. 5, 4 5 minus 3 6, 4 5 minus 3 8, 4 8 4 6 32. So this is 38. This is 44. And this is 8. Correct. Now x and y, dx by d, dy by d. Dx 44 by 38. Dy 8 by 38. Only you can make half. So your x is equal to 22 by 19, y 4 by 19. Next question. 1 to 40 divisible by 4. 1 to 140, sorry. Numbers. So that is 1, 2, 3. Correct. Now, among this series, we will find out divisible by 4. So 4, 8, 12, 140 itself it is divisible. Now first of all we will find out how much terms, then we will find out Sn. So A is equal to 4, difference and last term, that is 140. Next year when you will speak 2 minutes on the mic and in front of this no student, at that time you will come to know. Don't make fun or joke of others when they are coming as a guest, at least. Some boys are doing this purposely, and I have not down that when hall ticket will come, no, I'll show them. Definitely I am going to punish them 100%. Tn is 140. Again, when n you have to find out at that time, don't open the bracket. A is 4, n we don't know, d is 4, 140 minus 4, n minus 1 4, it is 136, n minus 1 4. This 4 goes down for division. One goes this side. Now we have to find out Sn. N 2a, n again, d, don't make it half, 4 is a 8, 34 4 is a 35 by 2, 35 4 is a plus 8, that is 144, that is 72. Again, don't do rough work, double, half, so from 1 to 140, first write that series, then write the number which are divisible by 4, then you write this. Then find out A, first term. Second term minus first term, that is the difference. Last term, that is Tn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, how many numbers which are divisible by 4? So that we got by Tn value. So n is equal to 35. Now 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20 dash 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 plus 136 plus 140. How much total? That is by the formula Sn. So you directly don't make it half, because otherwise it will come in point, and then you have to multiply and see 1 with unit digit 5, make it double, and which is even number, make it half. So these two factor you have given to this. Then with 7 it is very easy, input 0. So if 1 or 2 step will increase, no problem, but no need to do rough work and no need to turn the page and no need to waste your time. From the pack of 52 card, black card, not a black card, number from 2 to 5. Black card, first black card, not a black card. Numbers 2 to 5. And 52 cards total. So number of S is equal to 52. Black card, how many are black card? Half black, 26. Not a black card means red card. Number from 2 to 5 means 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 numbers are in all 4 group. Spade, diamond, club, all 4. Correct, red. So 4 for the 16. When you will find out number of the elements, you will get half mark. When you will write the correct formula, again half mark. Substitution, again half mark. And then answer, half mark. So probability of A, number of A divided by number of S, 2652, half. Probability of B, number of B, number of S, 2652. 50%, 50%. Probability of C, number of C, number of S. With 4 you can cut 4 4 ja, 4 13 ja. Now we can't. These are based on playing card, 52 card. They have asked only for black, non-black means red, and the numbers that are from all group. Next. Mark this, very important. Kx square minus 14x minus 5. And x is equal to 5. Find k. If x is equal to 5 is root of equation kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, by substitution x is equal to 5, by substituting x is equal to 5, x square 5 square, 5 5 are 25 k, 14 5 are 70 minus 5, 25 k minus 75 is equal to k, minus 70 minus 5 minus 75. This minus comes this side, so 75. 3 k is equal to 3. So when solution is given, one root is given, you can take both the side, left and right. If one part is, if you have to find out the equation, or you have to check that whether this is a root or not, that at that time only left side. A person deposited rupees X as a saving bank account at the rate of 5% and rupees 5 Y in fixed deposit at 10%. That is not there. Mth term is equal to the nth term, then m plus nth term is 0. This is very, very, very important. This mark also very important. What it is given? MTM is equal to NTN. It is given. First, find out TM. TM is equal to A plus M minus 1D. Then MTM multiply by M. Then this is equation first. Then Tn. D. Then NTN all multiply by N. Na plus N minus 1 Dn. This is 2. And left side it is equal. MTM is equal to NTN. Therefore, its answer MA plus M minus 1 MD, and it is N, sorry, NTN. That answer is NA. Sorry. Left is equal to right, then again left is equal to right. So this answer I have substituted. Now this answer from here I will substitute. Again, MTM is equal to NTN given. So first I got TM, A plus M minus 1D, all multiplied by M, MA, MD, same. Then TN is equal to A plus N minus 1D, all multiplied by NA, this into ND. Okay, so these two are equal, so these two are equal. Now open the bracket. MA plus M square D minus MD is equal to NA plus ND minus N square D minus ND. Just open the bracket. Then same term, MA NA plus M square D minus N square D minus MD plus ND is equal to 0. Now common, among these we can take A common, among this D common, correct, minus D common, Now we have learned that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Common, overall common. M minus n, a plus d m plus n minus 1 from this I have taken common, so a. From this I have taken common this, so these two I have taken this out, so this is d. Correct? Now divide by this, so this will omit. A plus d again common, so m plus n minus 1 d is equal to 0. Now instead of n, we will write t m plus n. Suppose it is tx is equal to a plus x minus 1 d, like that. But this answer we got 0. This is very, 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 very important question. Mark this, very important. Without repeating 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, first find out the number. From 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Two-digit number. 0 cannot be as a unit. As a 0 can be at a unit place, cannot be as a 10th place. So 1 4 times. There are 5 figures, so 1 4 times. 2 also 4 times. 3 also 4 times. 4 also 4 times. Then 0, 1 not repeated, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2 not 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 not 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 not possible. So these are S. Now even number A. 10, 12, 40, 14, 20, 22, 24, 30, 32, 34, 40, 42, 44 not there. Now B. Condition for B is more than 40. So B 40, 41, 42, 43. C prime number. Prime number, the number which are divisible by itself and the number which is divisible by 1. 10 no, 5 to the 10, because this factor possible, factor not possible. Possible, not possible. Generally, even number are not prime. Only two even number it is a prime. Rest of are not prime. 31, 31, 41, 43. Number of S, number of A, number of B, 3. Number of C. So probability of A, probability of B, probability of C, number of C, one minute. So sorry beta. A 10 by 16. So 5 by 8. B 3 by 16. Same. C 5 by 16. Correct. The weight of the bucket is 15 kg when it is filled with 3/5 of the capacity. The weight of the water is 19 kg if it is filled with 4/5 of the capacity. Find the weight of the bucket when it is completely filled. Let weight of bucket x kg, weight of water is y kg. So weight of bucket plus water, if it is fully filled, x plus y, that we need at the end. But if it is filled with 3/5,
Sir, 3 minutes left.
x plus 3/5, at that time how much? 15 kg. But if it is filled with 4/5, at that time it is 19 kg. Now equation second minus first. Weight of total water, which maximum capacity of the bucket, that is y kilogram. If it is 3/5 fill, then 3y by 5. If it is 4/5, so 4y by 5. So this minus C. Y minus y 0. 4/5 minus 3/5, that is 1/5. So 1/5, it is 4. So y is equal to 20. 4 5s are 20 kg. So this we got 20 kg. Now take any, I will take this, suppose x plus 3y by 15 is equal to 15. X plus 3, this is 20 kg. 5 4s are 4 3s are 12. 12 plus how much is equal to 15? So 3. We want total weight is equal to x plus y is equal to 3 kilogram, 20 kilogram, 23 kilogram. Bucket in first round and second round, the bucket is same. So the weight of bucket is x kilogram. If it is fully filled, so the weight of water which is inside, that is y kilogram. So fully filled bucket with water, so the weight of bucket plus water, so x plus y. But it is not fully filled, it is 3/5. Out of 5 part, 3 part only filled. At that time 15. Out of 5 part, 4 part, means more it is filled.